I want to show you the add-on Btrace for Blender 2.8. So I made this with the feature called Object Trace. So I make a new scene, I think. Let me just delete this and that one. I hide this in the viewport. I put the mouse cursor to world origin. Then I add some metaballs first. I switch over to here. Then I press B for box select, and then I go to Object, Convert to Mesh. Then I will give it a material. And then I go to the modifier tab. Add modifier, you just can press R for remesh. And I put this on blocks. Then I apply. Then I can run this. So I go to Btrace in the end panel. And then I choose Object Trace, press run. And then I make some curves. Now I will go to this tab, Curve, and I go to Geometry. And I turn this down. I go to Object again, Convert to Mesh again. Then I go to the Modifier tab and then Skin. I go to Edit Mode and there I press Ctrl A, I believe. I press A to select all, Ctrl A, and I turn it down. Go in Object Mode, and then I can add Subdivision Surface. And then I apply the modifiers. I give the material, and then it's there. I shade it smooth. We can also do this. Shade smooth, go to this tab, then to normals, auto smooth. And sometimes you might want to use this. So that is the object trace. There are quite a few more features in the Btrace, but I think I will put those in the blog. Alright, thank you for watching.